concept. I want to show you a demonstration of DC iron. In this concept, we use it to reduce energy consumption and show you how efficient it is by designing your DC pressing iron. This system actually, normal iron consumes about 1000 watts energy, but with this you make use of energy less than 80 watts. That means as you're using it, it consumes less energy. This is actually a DC element buried inside this clay stuff. Then we have our switching unit inside here. This is a MOSFET inside. So with it, when you switch it on, as you can see, the system is on and it will start heating. Though it might take some minutes for it to come to for it to be fully heated, but as we proceed, we see how well it is heating. This is the source of power from a DC battery. We have a solar panel out there is supplying the energy. So as you can see, that's the solar panel. So I'm trying to make use of this solar panel to power this stuff. So we will have to assemble everything, couple it, then continue the demonstration. This is it. Now the whole system is ready. So let's take a look at how this stuff will work. So whether there is power or not, you are sure of completing your laundry with or without electricity. With this, you have a portable rechargeable iron. So long as you have your battery bank, you are sure of Alright.